Free, free, free. Hey, don't you love when things are free? Especially when things that are difficult become easy, and because they're easy, they're free, or they're free because they're easy. Anyway, we're going to talk about HubSpot. We're going to talk about modules. We're going to talk about marketplaces. Let's dive into this right now. All right, so as you can see, we are in a HubSpot portal and it's kind of hidden, but let's go ahead and start the journey. We're going to go over to the marketing tab in the main menu. We're going to click on that and we're going to hover over files and templates. When you get to files and templates, you're going to see that there is a template marketplace. Now, historically, people have looked at the marketplace as a place to get, well, templates and things to purchase and things for free, but there is now a new section. Notice this all products here. If we click on this all products, you'll see that there are email, blog pages, landing pages, website, system pages, all sorts of things, but oh my goodness, there's a new section and it's called modules. In this modules area, today's conversation is about adding the HTML module. You can see that it's the first one here and it is super useful in the new HubSpot Design Manager. When you hover over it, you're going to be able to view details. We can click on that. It's going to take us to this marketplace where we can actually test this module. We can see what this module does. And notice we can see that this module is installed. Now, just so you can see what it looks like when you don't have the module installed, if I go to something along the lines of this logo carousel, I can view details, I can see what it does, and then I can see get module for free. So go ahead and head over to the marketplace, check out the new modules area, get your free modules to help you have a better HubSpot website. Hey, look, with HubSpot, the new designer, the new modules in the marketplace, it's just that simple. It's just that easy. So you see, designing your pages just got a lot easier. Head over to the HubSpot marketplace, check out the new modules area. Go ahead and download any of the modules. Today we talked about the logo one and the HTML one, but as you saw on the screen, there are a lot more there. Go check them out. Do you need education past this tutorial? Hey, that's what we do. Go ahead and check the description below. We have weekly trainings as well as 1- and 2-day workshops. If you like this Sprocket Talk video, then go ahead and like it below. Share it out with your friends. Education is the key to becoming a master at what you're trying to do. Well, that's it, folks. Go make awesome designs inside of HubSpot. Yo, this is your boy George B from Impulse Creative, aka Sprocket Talk, saying happy HubSpotting. Oh yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for instant notifications, or do one of these things.